Hey guys, welcome to the video today. So in today's video, I'm going to be assembling this Ghostbusters Ecto-1 track and trap. And if you're interested in seeing my review of it, I'm going to have that in a different video. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start, and I'm just going to kind of talk through this as I go, and I'll try to show the various parts and pieces. I have everything out of the box. And before we begin, guys, make sure that you take all safety precautions. Okay, so step one, I have this door and the seat, and this door is going to clip or snap on to the bottom of the seat here is what it looks like. It doesn't really snap, it just kind of like, almost like slides on. It just kind of like feels like pressure holds it in place. Okay, so next, let's see here. This door is going to go onto the car. It just kind of clips on. Try to hold this up just so you guys can see, but the door clips on here. Hope I gotta get the bottom one on. Okay, let's try that again. There we go, just like that. Okay, and then 3. Looks like the other door here. So it's gonna fit in like this. The bottom part kind of fits into the car, and then the top part, well, let's see here. There we go. It just kind of like fit in the bottom, and then the top part clipped onto this part. Okay, so 4, on to step 4. That was step 3, on to step 4. It might have already came, 4 might have already came pre-assembled. Oops. Because it's showing. Okay, yeah, it looked like on mine at least 4 came assembled already, but this part goes into this part like this. Okay, that was throwing me off. Okay, and then, I don't know, I guess we'll mess with this at the end. I have the drone piece taken out. Okay, so this, hope I'm doing a good job of showing all this. Now I'm on to step 5. And step 5 is going to be this piece. Fits in here. Like that. Okay, you guys see that? It kind of, oops, now I took that part apart. All right, I'm gonna do this again just to make sure I got a good, try to get a good visual of it. So this part just kind of fits into the back of the car. You just kind of have to fit it in there. I had to kind of gently flex the plastic apart just to get this to fit in. And then there's that. Okay. What is next? I had an issue with the windshield not fitting on there. Right. That piece there kind of slipped out. Anyways, let's put this on. I'm going to put this on again. I'm going to start with the windshield going in first, and then just slowly working the other like clips into their spot. I'd say just take your time here, because there's, you don't want to mess anything up. Okay. Okay, that's looking cool. Okay. Now, these are going to go on. I'm putting them on right. There's kind of like on this one, there was just like something from when they made this. So I'm just hiding that on the inside of the other one. But basically, you just kind of clip in like that. Okay. Now, this piece. Okay, well, I know at least this is going to fit in here. This fits in here. These pieces are kind of a little tougher to get in. Okay, and then this piece fits here. They're kind of like this gray piece that I'm putting in is like, I don't know, it's like something, I don't know if it's rubber or something like rubber, but it was kind of a little difficult to get those pieces in. And then this, AB. So it looks like one of the options is to have it go into here. But that doesn't seem right. Maybe you just kind of feed these in. I don't know. It shows like two options on the instructions, and B shows it going into one of these. A looks like it shows it going into this. So that's probably, once I get this installed, that's probably what I'm going to go for. Okay, so next, step 9 is the ladder. Now I got these things in the way, so I'm just gonna move them out. But there's a part up here where this part of the ladder can clip into, or like not like hold it in place. Well, it probably is easier to put this bottom part in first, and then I can just push the top part until it clipped into place there, kind of fit into place. Okay, now for this. Okay, so with these parts now, I'm going to fit this into here, like that. And then fit this onto the top of the car, and then I can fit these into here. Okay? And then the other option is if I take this off, I can put the drone on here, and then I could like put these gray pieces into the yellow piece. Maybe something like that. Okay, but what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to take the drone off. I'm going to put this part back on here, and then put these gray pieces in there like that. Oh, the other option too, so okay, it shows this piece can go right here, like that. Okay, so I'm going to put this back up here, and now I'll shut the doors here. And I got Slimer here too. I'm going to take him out of the package on my review video. And then here's the drone, which is super cool. So now... Okay, so now for the fun part, I'm going to put on the stickers. So one... So the stickers go on the wheel. These first stickers I'm doing go on the wheels. Okay, it's kind of a little scary when you put these on because you don't want to mess it up. Ooh, is that sticker ripped? Okay, okay, because on the back tires you can only see half the tire, so you have to put like half on at a time. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing. 3 is 2 halves. So I'm going to work on this tire now. Okay, and then 4 is the full circle. Okay, and next is, oh, I was grabbing the Slimer. Okay, I'm gonna put Ghostbusters stickers go on the front doors here. Like that, there's one. There's one, and then the third one goes on the back door here. Okay. Like so. Now, let's see. So this is going to sticker 8. So sticker 8 and 9 wrap around this piece and they just fit on there a certain way. Okay. Put this back. It's fun. It's kind of like, you know, going through the assembly process and putting on the stickers is enjoyable. So, okay, 10, 11, 12, and 13 go here. It shows with the, let me make sure, I'm going to look at the box. It kind of showed the white stripe part on the instructions here on the side, but on the picture here it shows it on top. So I'm gonna go with what the picture shows here. I'm gonna put the white stripe piece like on top like that. I don't know which one is right. But that is the decision that I took. I think it's gonna look okay though. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Okay, 14. This goes. Oh, it looks to me like it goes back here. That's where I put it, on the back door there. Okay, and then where are we at? 15 is back here. And then 16 is right there. And then 17 well, it's on a little crooked, but I did. Well, let's see if I can get it off here without hurting it. Ooh, okay, I was kind of worried I was going to hurt it, but I got it on there a little crooked, so now I'm going to try to straighten it out here. There we go. Having issues with this one. Let me try again here. There we go. Okay, and then, yeah, did I get them all? Got all the stickers? Oh, no, there's some. Oh, that's just like maybe a I don't know, maybe like the item number for the page. I think I got all the stickers. I think I got everything assembled correctly, but who knows? You never know. I may have messed something up. I'm happy with how this came out. Okay, so, and with the all the stickers, just make sure that they get on there good. I noticed, you know, some went on easy and others didn't. Like I noticed particularly like these green ones up here were kind of hard to make sure they were stuck down all the way on top. So just make sure that all the stickers get stuck down all the way correctly. So, all right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.